Welcome, stargazers and skeptics alike. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, wondering if those twinkling constellations hold the key to understanding your personality or predicting your future? If so, you're certainly not alone. Astrology, the ancient practice of interpreting the influence of celestial bodies on human affairs, has captivated minds and sparked debates for thousands of years. Some swear by its accuracy, while others dismiss it as mere superstition. But what's the real story behind the zodiac signs we so often read about in horoscopes? Today, we're embarking on a journey to unravel the truth behind the allure of astrology, its scientific grounding, and its potential harm. So whether you're a curious Gemini, a skeptical Aquarius, or a Scorpio seeking the truth, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the cosmos, separating fact from fiction. Welcome, curious minds. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's as fascinating as it is controversial: the exploration of astrology. For centuries, humans have looked up to the stars for guidance, attributing mysterious and magical powers to the celestial bodies. It's an intriguing concept, isn't it? The belief that the position of the sun, moon, and planets at the time of your birth could shape your personality, influence your relationships, and map your destiny. Astrology, the study of these celestial bodies, has been a significant part of civilizations. The Babylonians, for instance, believed that planetary movements and celestial events could predict the future. Over the years, astrology has become a fascinating labyrinth of complex charts, symbolic languages, and intricate interpretations. But do these celestial configurations truly hold sway over our lives as astrology claims? Astrology segregates us into 12 different zodiac signs, each boasting unique character traits, strengths, and weaknesses. Some are steadfast like Taurus, some creative like Pisces, while others are fiery like Leo. Each of us has a zodiac sign that we identify with, and that is said to mirror our personality and foretell our future. It's an enticing thought, isn't it, that the heavens, in their infinite wisdom, have predestined our lives. However, numerous scientific examinations conducted over time have found no evidence corroborate these astrological claims. They argue that zodiac signs are a product of human imagination, a way to make sense of the unpredictable and chaotic world we live in. Astrology, they say, is based on a geocentric model of the universe that has been disproven by modern astronomy. As we journey through the cosmos, it's essential to question and explore these ancient beliefs critically. Are zodiac signs merely a comforting illusion, or do they hold profound truths about our lives that we are yet to unravel? It's a debate that continues to stir both intrigue and controversy in equal measure. But what if I told you that astrology might not be the celestial compass we once believed it to be? Whether you identify as a steadfast Taurus, a creative Pisces, or a fiery Leo, stay tuned as we delve into the scientific grounding of astrology, or rather the lack thereof, and why this ancient practice might be more than just an innocent pastime. Astrology, believe it or not, stands as a multi-billion-dollar industry, casting a spell over countless souls across the globe. It particularly enthralls the younger generation, those seeking answers, guidance, or simply a sense of belonging in this vast universe. Astrology, with its predictive signs and symbols, finds an avid audience in this demographic, looking for something beyond the mundane, something mystical. Surprisingly, despite its widespread popularity and fervent followers, many remain blissfully ignorant of the fact that astrology finds itself on precarious ground scientifically. Yes, it's true. Astrology indeed stands without a scientific leg to prop itself up, teetering on the edge of belief and fact, never quite finding solid footing in the realm of verified knowledge. Before you retort with a witty, "That's such a Virgo thing," pause for a moment. Absorb this. It's not about personal bias or a skeptical attitude. No, it's about hard, quantifiable evidence, the cornerstone of scientific inquiry and understanding. It's about tangible truths, not abstract notions or fanciful ideas. Astrologers, those able practitioners of this ancient art, ardently uphold the notion that our zodiac signs, those symbolic representations patterns, have a profound influence on our personalities. They believe and advocate that the alignment of stars at our birth plays a pivotal role in shaping who we are, how we behave, and what we become. However, when the scientific community, the guardians of empirical knowledge, put this claim under the rigorous lens of scientific scrutiny, the conclusion was unequivocal, unambiguous, and quite irrefutable. Zodiac signs simply do not predict personality traits or life outcomes. They don't presage our behavior. They don't prophesy our future. A colossal study, a veritable scientific undertaking, involved over 173,000 participants. This wasn't a paltry sample size, a mere drop in the ocean. No, it was a comprehensive and extensive collection of data. The study found no correlation, no connection, no link in individual sign and their personality. There was no evidence that the stars foretell, predestine, or influence our personal traits or decisions. The stars, it seems, hold no sway over us. Despite the lack of scientific backing, the allure of astrology endures. It is a phenomenon that has gripped the human imagination for millennia. Ancient civilizations across the globe studied the stars, seeking meaning in their movements and patterns. Even with the advent of modern science and the proven limitations of astrology, its charm continues to hold sway over a vast section of society. This fascination, while intriguing, can sometimes border on the obsessive. The practice of astrology often involves looking to celestial bodies for guidance in one's life. This can seem appealing, offering the illusion of control and understanding in an unpredictable world. However, it's crucial to realize that indulging in astrology can potentially be harmful. This is not merely a harmless diversion, but often a deeply ingrained belief system that can subtly influence a person's worldview. Astrology can affect the way you perceive yourself and others. Making judgments or life decisions based on astrological signs can lead to discrimination. If someone believes that certain traits or behaviors correspond to particular star signs, they might unfairly judge others based on these preconceived notions. This can limit interactions and relationships, depriving one of the ability to learn from diverse perspectives. Moreover, reliance on astrology can hinder personal growth. By attributing our character traits and life paths to celestial alignments, we may absolve ourselves of personal responsibility for our actions. We may attribute our weaknesses to our star sign instead of striving to overcome them. Similarly, we may limit our ambitions based on the supposed limitations of our astrological identity. Furthermore, a profound in astrology might make one prone to other pseudoscientific ideas, potentially leading down a rabbit hole of dangerous misconceptions. This can extend to other areas of life, from medicine to politics, fostering a culture of misinformation, gullibility, and irrationality. It's perfectly fine to enjoy astrology as a form of entertainment. It can be fun to compare horoscopes with friends or to peruse astrological charts out of curiosity. But placing reliance on it for life-altering decisions is a different kettle of fish. Astrology should never be the sole basis for important personal or professional decisions. To surrender that power to the stars is to abdicate our own agency and reason. True self-understanding stems from introspection and evidence-based practices, not from star charts and horoscopes. Rather than looking to the skies for answers, it is more productive to look within ourselves and to empirical research. Life's complexities cannot be reduced to simple astrological formulas. They demand a more grounded, rational, and nuanced approach. As we draw this discussion to a close, here's a thought for you to ponder. Astrology, for many, serves as a comforting beacon amidst the tumultuous sea of life's uncertainties. It provides a sense of solace and predictability in an otherwise unpredictable world, offering people the answers they often seek in their quest for meaning and purpose. However, as with all things, it's essential to approach astrology with a healthy dose of skepticism. Astrology, with its celestial maps and mystical interpretations, can be a fascinating realm to explore. Its allure often lies in its cryptic symbols and the promise of unlocking hidden truths about ourselves and our world. It can be a source of amusement and intrigue, a delightful diversion from the mundane realities of day-to-day life. It can bring us joy, stimulate our curiosity, even foster a sense of connection to the cosmos and our place within it. Yet we must be cautious. It's one thing to engage with astrology for fun, for curiosity's sake, or as a form of personal exploration. But it's an entirely different matter when we allow it to dictate our lives or to judge others based on their astrological signs. Misplaced faith and reliance on astrology can lead to real-world consequences. It can cloud our judgment, influence our decisions, and potentially lead us down paths we may not have chosen if we were relying solely on our rational thought processes. So, where do you stand on this matter? Are you prepared to question the constellations, to probe deeper, to look beyond the starry expanse with a critical eye? Or does astrology still hold a special place in your heart, a cherished sanctuary of celestial wisdom and guidance? Your thoughts and perspectives are valuable, and we invite you to share them in the comments below. Has this discussion sparked a light bulb moment for you? If it has, we encourage you to show your appreciation by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. This will enable us to creating more thought-provoking content for your intellectual nourishment and enjoyment. Until our paths cross again, remember, keep questioning, keep exploring, and above all, stay curious. As we conclude this journey, let's recap what we've learned. We've delved into the intriguing world of zodiac signs, their allure, and the comforting sense of predictability they offer in an unpredictable world. We've also considered the lack of scientific backing behind astrology and the potential harm it can cause when taken too seriously or used to judge others. We've called for skepticism, encouraging you to question and probe deeper, to look beyond the starry constellations with a critical eye. Remember, while astrology can be a delightful diversion, a source of amusement and intrigue, it's important not to let it cloud our judgment or dictate our lives. It's crucial to maintain a balance between fascination and rational thought, between celestial exploration and grounded reality. As we end this, we encourage you to continue this journey on your own. Continue questioning, continue exploring, and continue seeking answers. The stars may be mysterious, but the answers lie within us. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the universe is vast, but so is the human capacity for understanding.